The road to your future begins with a critical decision, and there is no better choice for your path to higher education than the College of Agricultural Sciences and Natural Resources at Texas Tech University. What sets Kasner apart from other institutions? How about a 13-to-1 student-to-teacher ratio? Or maybe the AgPals mentorship program? Abundant scholarships, internships, and career services. Texas Tech is a place where you can get your hands dirty, or not, and come out the better person for it. Thousands of career options are available through undergraduate programs in a wide range of fields like the Department of Animal and Food Sciences. The goal of the Department of Animal and Food Sciences at Texas Tech is to increase our quality of life through innovative teaching, research, and public service in meat and food sciences. How do they do that? Consider what they have to work with: state-of-the-art facilities, food safety and pathogen labs, a meat science laboratory, a livestock arena and equestrian center, their own rodeo arena, and a 900-acre farm.
I grew up on a ranch and we raised show steers, and I really want to be a vet and work on embryology and embryo transfer.
I was pretty sure I wanted to go in the pharmaceutical industry, but I grew up on a farm and ranch and I just couldn't get myself out of agriculture basically.
Where could you go with this degree? The list of top jobs is long and impressive, and you could even choose it as a path to a graduate degree in medicine, dental, pharmacy, veterinary, or law. Everything you need to excel is made available to you. They also offer multiple competitive teams, from ranch horse and quiz bowl teams to meat and livestock judging.
They've got the best professors, they've got the best recruiters, they've got the best, and they really care about their students.
Anything that I thought of that I wanted to happen in my college experience, they were willing to make happen.
A degree from the Department of Animal and Food Sciences at Texas Tech can take you just about anywhere you'd like to go. Remember, here at Kasner, we've got a good thing growing.